Before we start this video, you have 5 seconds. What is 35% of 160? The answer is 56. If that took you longer than 5 seconds, don't worry, that's exactly why you're here. By the end of this video, and with a bit of practice, you'll be able to do this in your head, in under 5 seconds. We start with the foundation of all mental maths, 10% of any number. The method is simple. To find 10% of any number, move the decimal point one place to the left. Take the number 30. Move the decimal one place to the left. 10% is 3.0. Take 120. Move the decimal one place to the left. 10% is 12.0. Every shortcut after this depends on what you just learned. Now let's upgrade it. To find 20%, you don't need a new method. Imagine you are at a restaurant. The bill is $80. You want to leave a 20% tip without pulling out your phone. First, find 10%. Move the decimal point one place to the left. 10% of $80 is $8. Then double it. And that gives us $16. That's your 20% tip. Fast, clean, no calculator. Let's try a bigger number. 20% of 82. 10% is 8.2. Double it. And that gives us 16.4. Simple and lightning fast. Now my favorite, 25%. 25% is just half of a half. Let's start with 40. Half of 40 is 20. Half of 20 is 10. That's 25%, done in seconds. Your turn. What is 25% of 128? Don't guess. Do it mentally. Drop your answer in the comment section. I'll show you the mental shortcut for 35% and 45%, the ones most people think are impossible to do in their head. If this helped you, subscribe and share it with someone who still thinks percentages are hard.